Welcome to my darkest moments and then me uplifting myself. This was one of the hardest things I had to do, but I knew it had to be done. So I pushed myself and I had the help of my son, thank God. This is really hard for him. Dre been in his life since he was 4. I never thought I'll be packing up Dre things and getting rid of it. I donated it, and that's what she want me to do. She always donated things. If you want to know what happened to the shoes, her boys got the shoes. She always said she wanted them to split her shoes because they were her same size. Of course, I kept some of them because we also wore the same size. I kept the more girly ones. She had a lot of stuff, but as I'm packing up all her stuff, I'm thinking this material stuff doesn't mean anything, because when it's your time, you can't take anything with you. So sad. So enjoy your life and enjoy the things that you have, because once you're gone, you can't take nothing with you. It's just really an eye-opener, even though I know the saying that you can't take it with you. So I'm definitely about to enjoy my life. What you're about to witness is me trying to figure out where to hang these pictures at, what look right. I'm about to do a lot of scrambling, so stay tuned. Comment down below if you would like to know where I got these items from, and I'll do a separate video on that. If you're wondering did this help, it definitely did. Rearranging my room and remodeling it definitely helped ease the pain. Before I remodeled my room, it seemed like a dream. It felt like Dre was at work over the road and she'll be home. And then it hurt me even more because I realized that she was gone. She wasn't coming back. So since her passing, I noticed that I was eating a lot, grieving and eating. Since then, I cut all of that out and I'm doing much better. I'm in a better space and I'm working on me. If you guys would like to see a completed room tour, comment down below. Man, y'all, Dre have a whole closet full packed of clothes and shoes I have not attempted to touch yet. Thank y'all for rocking with me. Stay tuned. I have since dyed my hair and video will be coming soon. Thanks for all the prayers, love, and support. I love you guys.